Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Francis and I do videos on fashion, lifestyle, and motherhood. So today I'll be sharing with you an unboxing and review as well as how I would style these two pairs of boots from VIVAIA. VIVAIA was kind enough to gift these two pair of boots with me, and of course I will go ahead and share a discount code here on the screen for you to shop. Everything I mention here I will link down below in the description box, as well as my discount code and also as well as my outfits and what I style these boots with. So first, let's get right into it. This is a pair of, also the box is very chic, I love the monochrome look. It's like kind of peach, kind of tannish, but it's just really like their slogan is step into conscious comfort, stylish and sustainable. VIVAIA. So I'm really happy that they reached out to me. These boots are made from recycled materials, and you could go ahead and check them out. So these first pair are the Ryan 2.0 Chelsea boot in the color black, and they are water repellent. So I am a size 37 in European sizes, which I believe is equivalent to size 36 or 6 in US sizes. So let's go ahead and get started with this one. So I obviously already wore these, but I just want to show you, this is how they look in the box. So this boot, this is the Ryan 2.0. It's a low Chelsea boot, and it has a little heel, probably about like an inch or almost an inch, and they do run narrow towards the front, but they're also flexible here. Like there's a lot of room to breathe, lots of flexibility. They're easy to slip on. You don't have to use like a shoehorn unless if that's your thing. But for me, I just put my finger right into this part and slip my shoe in and I'm good to go. I do wear ankle socks with these, but these are water repellent. And I mean, I don't recommend jumping into puddles, but you know, when it's raining and you're just passing through, they're amazing. So this is how I look. And I did wear them, and the rubber on the bottom too, they're very great condition. They're stable. No scuffs that you can see, but yeah. So I also feel like the Ryan 2.0 boot is a staple in every woman's closet. You could wear these, you know, dress them up or down, wear them to work, running errands, or running after the kids. But I think that these are very sleek, very chic too. This is how they look. So next are these very comfortable, very cute and stylish CasLla dark chocolate boot. So these are kind of a calf high boot, and let's go ahead and open them. So here these are. They're two-tone, so they have like a Sherpa lining, so comfortable, super warm, and they're brown, and it's a Sherpa, it's a light Sherpa lining. The sole is a rubber sole, so it's like a gummy sole, and it's kind of a platform here, so it gives me like an inch in height. But these are super comfy, super warm. These are the two pairs together. The material is just super soft and flexible too. It's not like you feel like you can't breathe in them. They are very breathable, and I can just say they're super comfortable and super stylish. Okay, so next I'll show you how I'll style both the Ryan 2.0 Chelsea boot as well as the CasLla dark chocolate boot. And yeah, so now that we've unboxed our VIVAIA boots, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I would style them. So first, I'm starting with the Ryan 2.0 Chelsea boot in black. Again, these are a size 37 in European sizes, which I think is equivalent to size 36/6 in US sizes. So these shoes are super comfortable, and I consider the Ryan 2.0 boot as a staple in every woman's wardrobe, especially for the working woman or a commuting woman. If I were still commuting to the city or San Francisco, I would wear these because these are super comfortable. I actually brought these to a trip that we had to Disneyland in December, and I wanted to review them, and so I tested them out, and they lasted all day in them. And Disneyland requires a lot of walking, probably like 12,000 steps a day on your iWatch, but these helped these were super comfy, kept me warm, and it was raining too. So I absolutely love these, but this is how I would style it. Pretty much my base is an all black on black. So I have black leggings with a black long sleeve. And because it's winter, I wanted to keep a little bit warm and I like to layer. And so I just topped it off with this trench vest. So this is like a kind of like a woolly suede vest, and it ties in the back here. But this is how I would style it. This is, for me, this is my casual wear or smart wear. Okay, so this is how I would style the brown CasLla in dark chocolate. These are the water repellent ones. These are a size 37, and for reference, so I'm 5 foot tall and I weigh 116 pounds. And these give me like an inch of height here, so they're a little platformed. So what I love about this is the two-tone, the color, the brown and the Sherpa on it. They're very comfortable too. And of course, they're water repellent, but this is how I would style it. You don't have to necessarily wear both colors that are on the boot, but for this is a pair of leather or faux leather leggings, the quarter sleeve contour top. And so it could be like, you know, for the winter and for the colder months out here in California, especially during our rainy season. And to dress it up, I would put this pea coat on. I mean, just to keep myself a little warm. And yes, you can close it, but what I don't like about is that how the two colors are off. But if you want to leave it open like this and just walk around sporting the shoes like this, either way is best. Or either way, whatever way you like to style, this is how I would style it. So another way to be more casual, if you're on the go, just running errands, this little puffer would work too. Boots are super warm, super cozy, super comfortable. And I would also do it in a monochrome look with all brown, so I would have like brown leggings and this brown top, and then just have these boots. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and this little review on the VIVAIA boots that I received as a gift. I will be linking each boot down below, as well as my discount code. Mention it here on the screen as well. Also, I hope you enjoyed how I styled them. And if you like this video and want to see more of these in the future, let me know in the comments down below. I hope to see you in the next one. Alright, take care. Bye.